Hello guys, I know you hear the background noise because and my neighbors, but I just yeah, my neighbors are very annoying. Well, we're gonna do a video, so it's slime. The first ingredients we're gonna need is glue and some game. I know you guys know this recipe too, and also I sound horrible because this is not a real camera or anything. And also this is my first time. So the first thing you're going to need to do is add the glue. Sorry, wasted your time. Okay, there.
Oh my god.
We're going to wait till we finish pouring the glue. We'll come back. Alright guys, we're back from the thing. It's more quiet now. So, yeah, now we're going to add the game. So, I have the game in this little container. Add it.
This
one. Come out solid. It's really cold outside tonight. That's why I'm wearing a sweater. Okay. Right, we're gonna add more to this. First of all, I'll come back when I finish pouring it all in. So, alright guys, we finished. I got the mixing tool and we finished pouring this in. I'm gonna finish doing that. And I have the mixing thing. Alright, it's getting kind of thick. Oh, there's like something inside. Plastic. I know you hear these puppies crying because, yeah, there's puppies. Alright, we just pour the freaking thing out of it. Alright. Poured all of it now. Actually, most of it. Okay, it's getting kind of thick. Yeah, so we just take it out. It will come out better, but you have to knead it. And then it'll come out all soft. It won't come out all wet like this, but... And then if you want to end it, if you come out with a little bit, then you can just like put water, a lot of water into your glue. It'll turn kind of mushy and watery. Then you pour it in, add gain, it'll make a kind of different slime. Weird slime. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, even though you're listening to all these noises. So thanks guys. Please subscribe and leave a like. And comment down below and I'll be answering your questions if you watch this.